How to see PDF slides on Notion on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notion application on your phone. You will then be brought to your main workspace page. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Compose icon to add a new page. Once you're here, type in a title for your page. Tap on the plus icon. From the menu that appears, scroll down to the Media section. Now, tap on File. On this screen, tap on Choose a File. From the options at the bottom, select Choose Files. This will open up your iPhone's Files app. Navigate to and tap on the PDF file you want to upload. Wait for the file to finish preparing and uploading. Once uploaded, you will see the PDF embedded on your Notion page. Tap on the embedded file to open it. You can now view your PDF slides directly within the Notion app. Following these steps, you can easily upload a PDF to Notion on an iPhone.